In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the cone legs with these leg plates from Gelmar and how to attach it to your side tables. So I've got these lovely side tables we've manufactured. I decided that these cone legs are going to be the perfect fit. So I'm going to show you how to prepare it. I'm just going to sand it to get it a bit smoother, and I'm going to apply a water-based varnish. All right, you also get a straight leg plate instead of this splayed one. Let me show you. This is the splayed leg plate. All right, so when we attach it, the leg would be at an angle, and you also get a straight leg plate. So of course, when you attach the legs, that's going to be straight. So I'm going to show you how to attach this at the correct angle on the side table. Okay, so tools we'll need for this job is a cordless drill, 16mm screws, a carpenter square with a 45 angle, or any type of square with a 45 angle, and a pencil. I'll be using this Abranet disc. It's an abrasive disc. It's supposed to last a bit longer, and with my experience, it does. It sands, I would say, more effectively. So this is Gelmar's Abranet Bulldog abrasive sanding pads. So I'm going to use my pneumatic sander just to smoothen the legs. You'll see there's some lines here as they turned it. These are all turned by automatic machines, by CNC machines, and you'll see it's not 100% sanded. You've got these rough lines on it. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but I'm just gonna quickly sand it off. But it's not the end of the world. You don't have to sand it off. I'm just gonna do that using my favorite Abranet sanding disc. All right, so I made this just to be able to put the legs in there when I varnish it, so they can keep upright and I can varnish it all around without having it rolling around on the workbench. So that's quite handy. So Gelmar has many other options for legs. They've got hairpin legs, many different styles. They even have pre-made shaped dining table legs. Beautiful stuff. So I just love shopping at Gelmar. It's such a pleasure. Everything is so organized, and I mean everything you need if you're in the furniture making business or cabinetry, doing kitchens. Right, I'm going to continue quickly sanding these. You can also do it by hand. There we go, one down. All right, sanding's finished. Now I'm going to start placing them in my holder here to prepare them for varnish. So if you don't have a compressor at home, you can just wipe this with a dry or very lightly damped cloth, just to get most of the dust off here. Well, all of the dust. So all I have here is a bit of water-based varnish. The reason I like using this is it doesn't yellow the wood. I'm just going to start applying this, just a very thin coat, because it's not like a worktop or anything. It's not going to take a lot of traffic. This is just to make it a bit washable, and it also just brings the color of the wood out a bit. There we go. All right, 2 more to go. And then while this is drying, I'm going to start attaching the leg plates to the side tables. And that's another beautiful thing about water-based varnishes. It dries fairly quickly. Okay, so now I'm just going to go back through them all and to make sure there's no tears running down. Alright, so these leg plates are going to go onto the bottom here, and we're going to put them at the perfect 45-degree angle so they all splay away from each other like that. So I'm going to take the camera a bit closer to show you everything that's going on here. Okay, so now I'm going to take my carpenter's square, and we'll be using this 45 angle. So I want to attach the leg plate, not exactly with these corners on the edge here, but about, say about 3-5 mil in, like so. Okay, that's perfect. So I just checked. When my carpenter square is here at 195 millimeters, there, I can draw a line like that. And now, just make sure that your angle faces the corner of the cupboard. 16 by 6 millimeter screws. Be sure to not overturn your screws. These small ones actually strip very easily, and then it loses all its grip. Alright, so now I'm going to do this all around. Alright, so once your varnish has dried, you can turn your legs into your plates. So you'll see that these legs come with the M8 bolts already inserted there. And it's as easy as just turning it in there, nice and tight. There we go. Alright. Now I can just do that with all of them. And there you go, that's how easy it is to use Gelmar's cone legs with the splayed leg plates, and you always have the option to use the straight leg plates. And you can be creative, you can stain it, you can paint it, you can varnish it. Be creative, and we are excited to see what you can come up with. So send us through your pictures, and our motto here is, if you can do it yourself, why not? Happy creating, everyone. Be sure to visit your local Gelmar or shop online for all your DIY and professional needs.